This 2022 Dutchmen Kodiak Ultra-Lite 242 RBSL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 28 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 4, spare tire kit, carbon monoxide detector, skylight, external shower, auxiliary battery, microwave, oven, LP detector, smoke detector, DVD player, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Kodiak Ultra-Lite 242 RBSL is 5,117 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.